Humanity didn't reach the peak of its evolution when we launched a rover to Mars. No, it happened when Chinese engineers decided that the most important gadget in your life desperately lacked the weight of a cinder block and the ability to blind innocent pedestrians. Meet the Unihertz 8849 Tank 3 Pro. This isn't a smartphone. This is a manifesto of technological insanity created by people who respond to the question, why, with nothing but maniacal laughter. Marketers lovingly call this monstrosity a portable home theater, but in reality, it's a textbook product of the peak absurdity era. A device trying to replace your TV, a police siren, a construction level, a power bank, and, purely by accident, a communication device. In official reviews, tech creators test its performance with deadpan faces. But let's be real, this thing was built for the sole purpose of testing the structural integrity of your genes, your nerves, and your facial bones if you ever have the misfortune of scrolling through social media in bed. Let's face it, the Tank 3 Pro's ergonomics were designed by the Department of Heavy Machinery. When you pick it up, your first thought isn't, wow, what a futuristic device, but rather, I think I need a concealed carry permit for this. Over 1.5 pounds of sheer mass. Over 1.5 pounds! That's like 3 brand new flagship iPhones superglued together with industrial epoxy. If you shove this brick into your front pocket, you won't just attract highly questionable looks. You are guaranteed to ruin your posture and require hip replacement surgery by the end of the week. Ergonomics? Forget about it. Trying to reach the notification shade with your thumb turns into a full-blown CrossFit session. The chassis, which is as thick as a hardback encyclopedia, screams about its ruggedness. They promise protection against everything: drops, water, and common sense. But there's a catch. A DLP projector is shoved straight into the top edge of this armored vehicle. And the moment you notice the cooling fan grill, the entire concept of a rugged phone for extreme environments crashes and burns. Projectors are terrified of dust. The fan, however, happily sucks in any sand, dirt, and pocket lint it can find. Truly genius. You have an armored tank that can literally die just because you accidentally sneezed too close to its cooling system. Let's move on to the main selling point, that theater in your pocket. Forget about 4K, OLED panels, or HDR. The engineers crammed a module with a resolution of 854 by 480 pixels in here. The image looks like a bootleg VHS copy of The Matrix, recorded on a potato back in 1999. Marketers claim that 100 lumens of brightness is enough to create a cozy camping atmosphere. Translated into human language, you will only be able to see something if you lock yourself in an absolute sensory deprivation tank with 0 light sources. In broad daylight, the projection vanishes as quickly as your illusions after buying this piece of tech. But the real entertainment is the viewing process itself. To show your friends a video on a tent wall, you must transform into a literal marble statue. You have to hold this 1.5-pound carcass completely still in an outstretched hand. Any micro movement and the image flies into the stratosphere, projecting onto a nearby pine tree or the face of a terrified grizzly bear. A tripod? Of course, it's not included. Instead, there's built-in software that tries to autocorrect the keystone, turning any video into a piece of abstract expressionism. The projector runs as hot as the gates of hell. After 10 minutes, the built-in fan starts whining at an ultrasonic frequency, completely drowning out the phone's already muddy speaker. You aren't watching a movie. You are participating in a technological torture experiment. The powerhouse, or rather the dead weight, of this monster is a 23,800 milliamp hours battery, a number that makes electric scooter owners cry tears of jealousy. They promise a week of battery life, and for the first couple of months, the phone actually holds a charge as if it's wired directly into the Hoover Dam. You can charge the devices of your friends, your neighbors, and random strangers on the street. As usual, this Chinese engineering miracle has its own internal demon, the charge controller. After 6 months of heavy use, this chip completely loses touch with reality. The screen proudly displays 100%. You confidently hike deep into the woods, and an hour later, the phone just taps out and instantly drops to zero. A flawless setup for a horror movie. Meanwhile, a MediaTek Dimensity 8200 processor is sweating inside. It's a decent chip, but in this specific chassis, it is doomed to a slow suffocation. The moment you launch a heavy game or plug in the charger, the Tank 3 Pro turns into a space heater. Thermal throttling hits faster than you can open a benchmark app. The hardware aggressively drops its clock speeds, trying to save itself from spontaneous combustion, while the projector fan whines pitifully, attempting to cool down this monolith. What else does a modern consumer need in a $600 smartphone? Obviously, a 200-megapixel camera. Why? So you can examine every single pixel of digital noise and mush that this budget sensor spits out. The software processing here is on par with a gas station security camera from 2002. Photos come out washed out, and the autofocus lives its own life, falling into a deep depression whenever the lighting dims. But the Unihertz engineers didn't stop there. Behold, a night vision camera with infrared illumination. On the screen, you get a stylish black and white image resembling a found footage horror film from an abandoned asylum. The practical use? Absolute zero, unless you plan to work a night shift guarding a scrapyard or track raccoons in your backyard. And what about contactless payments? The NFC chip is technically there, but using it is a special form of masochism. Due to the colossal thickness of the rubberized plastic and armored plates, the signal simply cannot reach the payment terminal. Picture the scene. You're standing at a grocery store checkout, violently slamming a massive black brick into the card reader under the judgmental stares of the people behind you, and the screen stays dead. You don't look like a tech geek. You look like someone attempting an armed robbery using a literal chunk of concrete. In the end, we have a perfect monument to human hubris and marketing chaos. The Unihertz Tank 3 Pro is the apotheosis of the all-in-one concept, where every individual element works equally terribly. It is living proof that if you combine a mediocre smartphone, a garbage projector, and a heavy power bank, you don't get a super gadget. You get nearly 2 pounds of pure, unadulterated disappointment. You could easily spend that same $600 wisely, buy a normal, slim smartphone, a decent pocket-sized portable projector, and a reliable external battery. That entire setup will weigh less, last longer, and output an image that won't make your eyes bleed. But marketers know a secret. Men love big, heavy, meaningless objects with glowing buttons. People don't buy the Tank 3 Pro for the projector or the battery. They buy it for the pure, concentrated absurdity. To turn the spotlight on full blast just once, flash blind their cat, get startled by the howl of the built-in cooling fan, and then hide this technological monument on the top shelf of their closet forever. So go ahead, hit that pre-order button, say goodbye to your pockets,